Well, dear student, again I am here with more question 11.5. This is important question for you. Actually, try to learn the meaning. Energy flux of sunlight reaching. He is saying energy flux. Of sunlight reaching earth is 1.388 into 10 to the power 3 watt per meter square. So what is the student get puzzled with this energy flux? I emphasize again and again that please learn the word meaning. It means intensity, flux means continuous flow. Continuously we are getting heat from sun on earth's surface at rate of, you can take it 1.4 10 to the power 3 watt per meter square. What does it mean? On 1 meter square area, 1.4 10 to the power 3 joule of energy falling per second. So you are asked here how many photons per square meter are incident on a surface per second. Lambda of light average 550 nanometer. 550 nanometer means 5.5 10 to the power minus 7 meter. So I hope you get it very clear. If n photons fall per second, so n into hc upon lambda equal to 1.4 into 10 to the power 3. Simple. So from here you will get n is equal to 1.4 10 to the power 3 into lambda upon hc. 1.4 10 to the power 3 into 5.5 10 to the power minus 7 upon 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 c into the 8. Calculate this number. 14 5 77 for 77 decimal after 2 place, 10 to the power minus 4 or minus 4 or 8 12, तो ये प्लस भी 20 बचेगी है भाई, अपॉन 6.6 into 3 11 6 जा 11 7 जा, तो it is 7 upon 18 10 to the power 20 or 70 upon 18 10 to the power 19 photon per second are incident on metal surface, on our surface. Simple question. This question is very important. Many times it has been asked, itne photon per second per meter square. The number is big one. Now 11.6 has been asked many times in board exam. 11.6. In an experiment on photoelectric effect, the slope of cutoff voltage versus frequency of incident light is found to be 4.12 10 to the power minus 15. Slope of cutoff voltage versus frequency graph V0, that come like this. Actually kinetic energy V0, तो EV0 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो इट विल बी EV0 अपॉन न्यू is equal to Planck constant, h equal to EV0 upon nu. You are giving this thing slope, V0 upon this, so 1.6 10 to the power minus 19, and this slope is equal to 4.12 into 10 to the power minus 15. So simply you multiply 16 to the 32 3, 16 3 9, 16 4 ja 64 1 65, decimal after 3, 10 to the power minus 34. Joule second is the unit of H. So nearly comes out to be 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 Joule second. This question is very important, dear students, for class 12 students. Actually, every paper setter of CBSE and other exam also make NCERT book a base. Align point 7 question is very simple. 100 watt sodium lamp radiates energy uniformly in all directions. The lamp is placed at center of large sphere and absorb all the sodium light which is incident on it. The wavelength of sodium is 589 nanometer. What is the energy photon equal to hc upon lambda? You can find out. And at what rate photon delivered to the sphere? मान लो n photon हुई n hc equal to this power 100 watt. NHC upon lambda is equal to this power 100 watt. You can find out, you have determined this thing. So this 100 watt divided by energy of photon will give you the number of photon. ये कह रहा है यहाँ एक सोडियम सोर्स है, स्फीयर है यहाँ पर, तो लाइट गोइंग ऑल डायरेक्शन. So total number of photon absorbed by this will be obtained from this. You can do it. But do yourself. There is a drawback in online learning. Teacher keep on telling one side program and student keep on learning one side. No direct instruction. And please solve the question yourself. Multiply, divide करिए. Yes. Align point 8. It is a different type question. Threshold frequency nu 0 3.3 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. 11.8 question. If the light of frequency nu 8.2 into 10 to the power 14 hertz is incident on metal, predict the cutoff voltage of photoelectric emission. I told you Einstein equation Ek is equal to h into nu minus nu 0 and Ek equal to EV0. So V0 is equal to h upon V E into, and it is very simple now, 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 upon 1.6 10 to the power 19. This difference, this minus 10 to the power 14 common, or it is 8.2 minus 3.3. 19 plus 14, 33. So it is 66 upon 16 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 12 minus 9, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. or nearly it is 3.3. 63 are 48. So it is here 1819 decimal after 2 volt, nearly 2 volt. ये माइनस में आएगा. तो this way be smart and try to solve question smartly, because this question will be hardly will be of 2 mark, and if you don't write the unit, half mark get deducted. So see situation. The same question is there again. Work function of certain metal is 4.2 electron volt. What will this metal give photo emission for incident radiation of 330 nanometer? Lambda of radiation 330 nanometer. Work function is 4.2 electron volt, sufficiently large. So will the radiation give photo emission? So find energy of photon in electron volt. So energy of photon of this wavelength hc upon lambda, very simple. 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 C3 into 10 to the power 8 upon lambda. 3.3 10 to the power minus 7 meter into convert joule. Convert this energy in joule. 1.6 10 to the power 19. तो इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट हो जाएगा ये. It is 2 3 6 upon 1.6 10 to the power minus 26 upon 10 to the power minus 26 cancel. So it is 60 upon 16. 16 3 48. 12. 16 3 48. एक मिनट भाई. 60 divided by 16. 7 जा. तो 3.75 electron volt. Work function 4.2 electron volt. So no photo emission will take place. Why? Time energy equal to E minus W. Energy of photon is less than work function negative value of kinetic energy. So no photo emission will take place. It is 11.9 question. No photo emission will take place. Simple. You can do this question other way also. You can find the frequency work function at nu 0, and from this nu, that is also another method. कैसे भाई कि वर्क फंक्शन इज दिस. तो h nu 0 is equal to 4.2 electron volt. Convert this into joule. The same thing is there. तो nu 0 निकाल लो, इसका nu निकाल लो, c upon lambda. You will find nu less than nu 0. If nu less than nu 0, then again emission of light will not, photo emission will take place. Here 11.10, 11.11 are the same question here, but 11.10 तो you can do half MB वैल्यूज दे दी यहाँ पर. So you are asked what is threshold frequency. The light of frequency 7.20 10 to the power 14 Hz is incident on metal surface. Electron with maximum speed 16 10 to the power 5 meter per second are ejected. What is the threshold frequency? Simple है तो. Only calculation part is there. You can do it. There is another question here जो मुझे समझाना है. Align point 11. Light of wavelength 488 nanometer. 488 nanometer. How many meter? 4.88 10 to the power -7 meter. Is produced by argon laser which is used in photoelectric. When light from this spectral line is incident on emitter, the stopping cutoff potential is 0.38. Find the work function. Simple. You are given cutoff potential. तो EV बराबर H nu minus W. ये HC upon W. So you are given voltage. You find out this separately. Energy of photon HC upon lambda. ये मिल जाएगा आपको यहाँ पर. तो 6.6 10 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon 4.88 minus 7 into 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. ये given है 0.88 electron volt. तो 3 point sorry. EV जो है यहाँ ये 0.38 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट की हो जाएगा एनर्जी. तो वर्क फंक्शन क्या होगा? दिस माइनस दिस. सिंपल. यू कैन डू इट. नाउ आई चेंज द लाइन हियर. 11.12 a good question for you. Calculate the momentum and number 2 B part de Broglie wavelength. de Broglie of an electron of electrons accelerate through 56 volt. Electron are accelerated through 56 volt. So find the momentum and de Broglie wavelength. P equal to under root 2 mk. Dear friend, momentum P 2 mk. What is K here? 56 volts accelerate हुआ. यानी K under root 2m into EV. I told you time energy equal to half mv square. M square v square upon 2m. So 2mk equal to p square. P equal to 2mk. So it is under root 2 into I take 9.0 10 to the power minus 31 into mass charge 1.6 10 to the power 19 into voltage. It is 56 volt. Why this number 56 volt is given? In Davison German experiment in which they verified practically the wavelength, they use this voltage. So it is here power 50 minus 25 into square root 3 और 56 14 4 या 56 होता है. Let me write here. 2 into 1.6 into 7 8 या 56. 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. So 16 root 4, 4 to the 12 into 10 to the power minus 25 under root 16 7 under 12 11.2. So you need to find the square root of 11.2. 11.2 decimal, this way 0, 3 3 are 9, 2.20, 6, 6 3 are 18, nearly 3.3. So 12 into 3.3 minus 25 kg meter per second. 12 3 are 36, 36 39. तो ये मोमेंटम, then wavelength lambda equal to h upon p. 6.6 10 to the power minus 34 upon, you can write it nearly 4 into 10 to the power minus 24. That is 440. है ना, 10 to the power minus, yes. So 4 into 10 to the power minus 24. 6.6 upon 4 10 to the power minus 10. So this lambda will come out 4 1 is 4, 2, 4 6 is 24, 5, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Yes, it is 1.65 angstrom. Actually, वैसे तो हमने एक और बताया था आपको कि वेवलेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बीम एक्सेलरेटेड वी वोल्ट 12.2 upon under root v angstrom. You can put directly, we know this thing, लेकिन ये याद नहीं होता बच्चों के, तो you can go this way also. So I think you have got many questions. I will be telling you more questions from other book. Thank you.